So yeah, here it is, leadership back again. Yesterday we spoke about how powerful buyers will obviously be showing a bit of strength throughout this week. So let's see where we at today. Obviously a bit of an update on our breakdown. Back on Nasdaq daily time frame, we'll change time frame to going immediately to our small time frames around our 2 hour time frame, because I want to show you guys obviously the bigger picture as we spoke from yesterday. We gave it a buy around about, just highlight that. We gave it a buy yesterday around this area here, around 11:13.5 yesterday. Pushed up obviously confidently ever since then. Changing time frame is going to lower time frame, like your 30 minutes. I'll show you guys how powerful this buy will definitely be in the next few weeks, next few days actually. For now, I'm gonna check out that high there, right there. So as you can see from that low, that buy we had yesterday, we pushed up and came back and obviously gave another buy opportunity around about that zone, exactly what I spoke about yesterday. So we came back and gave another buy on 11.21.1. We pushed up again obviously and broke our next high, which was around 11.34.6. Pushed up obviously again one more time and went as high as this high at this point. So let me just highlight that. Went as high as current price, which is at 11.68.2. From there we came back down to our previous high point, which was definitely would be our third entry point since yesterday on a major time frame. So the first one would be the lowest one that you can see right there. As you can see, the first one would then be the lowest one right there at 10.97.6. Second entry point would be obviously at 11.21.1. And then third entry point definitely came at 11.34.6. And then market is currently pushing up now to the highest point at this current price, highest point of the week, which is at 11.68.5. We're currently just passed through, retesting on that one. So as I speak, we definitely at a buy entry point. Before the market could actually go to the current price, it came to this entry point right here. So let me show you, going on to a smaller time frame. Change time frame. Let's deal with 15 minutes right there. Sorry, that's 15 minutes, not 15 seconds. 15 minutes definitely gave us an entry point at 11.34.6. Second entry point came in to sit on what I call the inner high of the current low. This inner high is currently basically something that looks like this. I'm going to highlight that with our do something like this, just like that. So this is where I'm highlighting right now. Obviously a normal head and shoulders, that you see the first shoulder head and the next shoulder. If you want to look at it like that, that's sitting in on the inner high of the previous low. The previous low would be at 11.34.6. The inner high would definitely be at price of 11.500. That's obviously where the market decided to come and take a sit, just like that. So when it pushed up there, I gave out a buy again. I think if you actually understand how I trade now and how powerful our highs and lows are, you definitely took a buy yourself there. This is 15-minute time frame. Going a bit lower to a smaller time frame, like your 5 minutes, you understand the market a bit better, because at this point you have way more. I call this the ladder. So if you ask Etu, he will tell you that no, Ash speaks about the ladder. I call this the ladder. From here, 15 minutes, we kill something called the ladder. So from here, all you look for is just high. The market is going up, rising in the up direction. You just want to kill the highs. So what you do is get your obviously horizontal line, or your trend line, whichever one. Your trend horizontal line is the best one. Every single high you kill it. As it goes up, you buy. When it comes low, comes back and sits on that. Obviously came back, set on 11.57.7. Kill it. Just one candlestick coming down. Go to a smaller time frame, like your 1 minute. You're gonna see the market definitely giving you a drop. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Just zoom out for you. Look at that. From my highlight zone, the red zone that I picked up there, the market gave you a ladder. I call this a ladder. You kill every single low from there. So I'm gonna actually highlight those lows there. So there's a next low at this point. It would be this one right here. The first entry point after, as the ladder takes off, is 11.57.7. The next entry point is called 11.51.7 first entry, 11.57.7 second entry. Second entry point, where is the market? Second buy would be obviously around about this point right here, which is that's the previous high become obviously the next entry point right there at 11.61.2. That's the third entry point. Just obviously, that's when the ladder picks up. Current entry point we're sitting at right now is 11.68.3. Always make sure. So obviously, dealing with a smaller time frame, you always have to make sure. Look at those buys. Powerful. Big money made right there. Short space of time. From just around 11 o'clock till 2 o'clock, you've made so much money. Small capital, you kill it. Big capital, you kill it. However, best thing about the ladder, you need to always go back and see what exactly is happening. Obviously, on bigger time frames, go in 30 minutes and try to see where the market could possibly come from. Current price, what is it saying to you? Highlighted the spot. Obviously, you can see there that my highlighted zone in red there will tell you the market is definitely going to, before it can push in higher from right now, the market will definitely come back. We're looking for a high. So where is our next major buy section? It's quite simple. It's right here. Just add the triangle. The rectangle, sorry. Just add that rectangle there. Right there. That would be definitely our next turning zone. Why? Because that is our previous high. Next it will become the next low section. What do we do? Normal nature. This is the major ladder. You apply the ladder attitude everywhere, any time frame. Waiting for that low to bounce off. When it gets there, respect that low. Where we're going, definitely push into the upside. Definitely push into the upside. Just like that. Comfortable, you kill it. Go to bigger time frame to enjoy your view, obviously, and understand a bit better. 2 hours, 1 hour will help you. There we go. So the goal is for the market to reverse and bounce on our second zone that I've highlighted there around 11.676. From there, we'll definitely push that high and push it as high as change time frame. Let's see. Push it as, let's see, 4 hours. What's 4 hours telling us? We want to see this market definitely change direction and push the upside. So we have to be able to climb it comfortably. That is my slide breakdown for today.